How to insert or embed YouTube video in Canva. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to insert or embed YouTube video in Canva. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for canva.com. Once you have opened Canva, go ahead and open the design that you want to embed the video in. Now, on the left side toolbar, you will see the apps option. Tap on that and then tap on the search bar there and search for Embed and tap on this particular option. You will then see the option for open, tap on that. Now go ahead and copy the link that you want to embed and further paste it in the text box you see there. And finally tap on the add to design option, and with this, as you can see, the YouTube video has been embedded in your design. You can resize the video if you want to. So this is how you can insert or embed YouTube video in Canva. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.